welcome to Higher Fat Girl. We're out testing the new gears in the Killer and had some questions what RPMs I'm running when I'm running at speed. So as you can see, we're at 7,399 feet. We're running the sisters right now, so at 75 miles an hour, we're at 3,000 RPMs, which is I guess it's 74 miles an hour. Let's get it up to 75. Right there's 75. Yeah, it's just a hair over 3,000. So that's pretty good. We're running up to 80. 80, we're 32.50. Getting 15.5 average miles per gallon, and that's been flogging on it pretty hard coming home. Running 80 most of the way here. When I was running down around 55, 60, I was getting over 17 miles a gallon. And I gotta try to keep up with Mario Andretti here in front of me. Shawnee and her RAV4, she's getting double the mileage I'm getting. She's at 32 miles to the gallon, and I'm at almost 16, so yeah, it makes sense. Her gas tank's half as big though, so we can go the same distance. Have a good day.